Chia seeds have been gaining popularity in recent years for their numerous health benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries by ancient civilizations for their medicinal properties. One of the key benefits of chia seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health and can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to fiber and omega-3s, chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and chronic diseases. Chia seeds are particularly high in a type of antioxidant called polyphenols, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Chia seeds are also a good source of protein, making them an excellent addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, and chia seeds provide a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Another benefit of chia seeds is their high calcium content. Calcium is important for bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis, especially in women. Chia seeds are also a good source of magnesium, which is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and muscle function. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. They can be sprinkled on top of yogurt or oatmeal, added to smoothies, or used as a thickening agent in soups and stews. Chia seeds can also be used to make a simple and delicious pudding by mixing them with a liquid like almond milk and letting them sit in the refrigerator overnight. Overall, chia seeds are a nutrient-dense superfood that can provide a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your digestive health, boost your heart health, or increase your protein intake, chia seeds are a great addition to any diet. So why not give them a try and start reaping the benefits of these tiny but mighty seeds today?